Here's a 1994 Casablanca Airflow or Homestead, but on this fan it says Casablanca Airflow. Portofino ceiling fan, that's new in box, and polished brass. So I got this on Detroit area, which is Dearborn. I got this at Dearborn area OfferUp. Usually I don't get fans from OfferUp, but this one is from OfferUp. So here's this side. It says Homestead, which is weird because it says Casablanca inside. So I'm not sure why. They probably use recycled packaging. I don't know. See, here are all the finishes. And the one I want is that one. But I know that's super hard to find, and I'm not going to say that this fan isn't good. And here's the other side. This side is the same thing. There we go. This side's ink is a bit lighter, probably from light. I don't know. So let's open it up. I've already opened this before, so here's the manual. We'll look at this later. So here are the parts. We're not taking any of them out of their plastic packaging because I like to keep these fans as new as possible. Not sure why there's a bag here. But here are the blade medallions. They are taped together, so here they are. And here are the blade brackets. It says Homestead 1992. Here's the easy lockdown rod, and this one doesn't have a blue wire because it's Homestar, which is Homestead's copy of IntelliTouch, but it malfunctions very quickly. So here's the easy lockdown rod and the Homestead balancing kit. This one's a very late Homestead because it was made in 1994. And here's the canopy. Yeah. There's a sneak peek. So now here is the exciting part. Here is the Homestar wall control. And these are pretty hard to find. Here this. So it's on, off, reverse, program, like down mode or something else. I will show it inside there. Light on, off, fan on, off, speed changes. It's really cool. Not sure why it's yellowed there, because this was never used. So this is all of this. The top part, which is all the parts, and there are no blades because it's Homestead or Casablanca, and they never include the blades except for Unipack fans like the Homestead Mirage, I'm pretty sure. So I have to take this out with one hand, so please wait a second. So here it is. Here's the motor. There's no pull chains because it's Homestar. This is a little bit loose, but that's okay. Look at the flywheel. It's so smooth. And these are made by Contrast. And the Portofino was Homestead's copy of the San Marino. So there are these vents like this over here. And when we go up here, Portofino fan, it's stack motor because I'm pretty sure this was Homestead's most expensive model, or it's the Chippendale, because these were offered in Homestar, and these ones look better than the Geneva. Yeah, see, Airflow by Casablanca, and here it is. I may test it, but because I don't like to install new box fan, I may not. Homestead Homestar. And this one, I'm pretty sure it works because this new box. There says January 1994. And if you have blades for this fan, I would love to buy it. And if you look over there, you can see the plastic board. There's the wall control again. Portofino. Here's the warranty card. You've probably seen this before because it's all the same. Homestead airflow systems. Safety requirements. Mounting recommendations. Unpacking instructions. And parts. Fan installation. Continued. Wall control, which is Homestar. There's the cool wall control. This says 1992 on the blade brackets, 1993 on the manual, but it's a 1994 fan from January. And Casablanca bought out Homestead, I think, in 1994. So this fan is, Casablanca is, it was part of Casablanca's collection by now. So there you go. And there's the Homestead Portofino fan. Thank you for watching. Bye.